Hello, dog lovers and enthusiasts. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're going to explore the world of low-maintenance dog breeds, perfect for those of us who lead busy lives but still want the companionship of a four-legged friend. Before we get started, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any informative content about our furry friends. And now, without further ado, let's dive into the world of low-maintenance dogs. Starting our list is the lovable Basset Hound. These charming dogs are known for their long, droopy ears and sad eyes that can melt anyone's heart. But don't let their melancholic expression fool you. These dogs are actually quite happy and content. They have a laid-back personality and are generally easygoing, making them great companions. Basset Hounds are also known for their low energy levels. This means that they don't require as much exercise as some other breeds, which is a major plus for busy owners. They're happy to lounge around the house while you're at work and will be waiting patiently for your return. With their low energy and easygoing nature, Basset Hounds are perfect for those of you with packed schedules. Next up, we have the charming Brussels Griffon. Known for their expressive faces and big hearts, these little dogs are packed full of personality. They are known to be intelligent, alert, and have a strong sense of companionship, making them wonderfully low-maintenance pets for those with a busy schedule. Despite their small size, they are not overly energetic and require less exercise than many other breeds, making them perfect for apartment living. They are also highly adaptable and can comfortably settle into various living environments. So if you're bustling about in a high-rise apartment or just need a low-maintenance companion, keep the Brussels Griffon in mind. Compact and adaptable, the Brussels Griffon is an excellent choice for the busy city dwellers. Moving on, let's talk about the tiny but mighty Chihuahua. Don't be fooled by their size. These pint-sized pups pack a lot of personality into a small package. They are known for their spunk, loyalty, and vibrant energy. While they do enjoy a good romp or a brisk walk, Chihuahuas don't require an extensive amount of exercise. A few short walks or play sessions each day are more than enough to keep them happy and healthy. This makes them an excellent choice for those with a busy schedule. Their steadfast loyalty means they form deep bonds with their humans, making them wonderful companions. They're also intelligent, quick to learn, and adapt well to their surroundings. Small but full of character, Chihuahuas are a great low-maintenance choice. Now, you might be surprised to find the Greyhound on this list. Yes, these sleek dogs are indeed iconic for their blistering speed, usually associated with high energy levels. However, the reality is quite the contrary. Greyhounds are often referred to as the 45-mile-per-hour couch potatoes. They love nothing more than lounging around, soaking up the sun, or curling up on a comfy sofa. This laid-back nature makes them a brilliant choice for busy owners. They don't require constant attention or extensive exercise. A couple of short walks each day and a small yard to stretch their legs are all they need. Despite their racing heritage, Greyhounds love to lounge around, making them a low-maintenance breed perfect for busy households. Next, the French Bulldog. This compact, muscular breed, affectionately known as Frenchies, are known for their playful and affectionate nature. Despite their energetic appearance, they require minimal exercise. A short walk around the block or some playtime indoors is more than sufficient. Moving on to the Bull Mastiff, a larger breed with a powerful build, yet they are gentle giants at heart. Bull Mastiffs are naturally protective and loyal, making them excellent family dogs. Like French Bulldogs, they too require less exercise compared to other breeds. A moderate walk or a leisurely playtime in the yard is all they need to stay healthy and content. With their relaxed temperament and low exercise requirements, both the French Bulldog and the Bull Mastiff are fantastic choices for those with a busy lifestyle. Next, we have the Dachshund. This breed, with its long body and short legs, is a real charmer. They are known for their playful yet stubborn nature. Dachshunds are relatively easy to care for, needing only a moderate amount of exercise and a good diet to keep them healthy. Up next, we have the Whippets. These dogs are small, but don't let their size fool you. They're energetic and love to run around, but once they've had their fill, they're just as content to curl up on the couch with you. They are independent yet affectionate, making them a perfect fit for those with a busy schedule. Next up, the Cavalier King Spaniel, with its endearing eyes and silky coat, is a dog that's easy to fall in love with. They are adaptable and require only a moderate amount of exercise. Their friendly and patient nature makes them excellent companions. Lastly, we have the Boston Terrier, a breed known for its tuxedo-like coat and energetic personality. Despite their high spirits, they don't require excessive exercise. A few short walks and some playtime each day are usually enough to keep them happy and healthy. And there you have it, a list of low-maintenance dog breeds perfect for busy owners. From the French Bulldog to the Bull Mastiff, each of these breeds has unique characteristics that make them suitable companions for those with a hectic lifestyle. And for more dog-related content, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time in our Patastic world.